Hello kids! Welcome to our Payan English channel. I am Teacher Ivy and with me,
Teacher Annie.
and today we're going to learn about the zoo and places. Are you ready? Let's start!
Con voi.
Elephant. Elephant. The elephant is drinking water.
Con ngựa vàng.
Zebra. Zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes.
Con hươu cao cổ.
Giraffe. Giraffe. The giraffe is very tall.
Con khỉ.
Monkey. Monkey. The monkey is climbing a tree.
Con hà mã.
Hippo. Hippo. The hippo is in the water.
Con cá sấu.
Crocodile. Crocodile. The crocodile is sleeping.
Con hổ.
Tiger. Tiger. The tiger is resting.
Bãi biển.
Beach. Beach. We play at the beach.
Nhà sách.
Bookstore. Bookstore. I buy books at the bookstore.
Trung tâm thương mại.
Mall. Mall. They go to the mall on weekends.
Sân chơi.
Playground. Playground. The kids are playing at the playground.
Trường học.
School. School. My brother is at school.
Hồ bơi.
Swimming pool. Swimming pool. We swim at the swimming pool.
Sở thú.
Zoo. Zoo. There are many animals at the zoo. That's it for our video today. Follow for more lesson. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.